Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Today we have Mrs. Don's Life with us. We're going to see if these actually work on these. Let's go. Okay, so I just picked these up off Amazon. They're called a drill brush power scrubber. We're going to use it on the drill here, but I see in advertisements all the time. They attach it to the drill and they clean up all this staining. We're going to see if it actually works. We're going to use some dish soap with some grease cutting, and then we're going to vacuum all this out of here. Then we're going to spot scrub these areas and try and get it nice and clean. Look, we still got the blue cover on here. I put PPF on the front ones because it's higher traffic. No, I'm not going to do all the hard work. I'm going to get Mrs. Don's Life to help. All right, let's give it a rinse. I'll hold it up for you. Bring it over here. Look at the dog. Okay, I'd say for a first go, that's not bad.
Yeah, let's give it another go.
Yeah, let's see if we can focus on some of these dirty areas. So a little more soap.
I probably have enough in my thing.
Well, let's get new soap. Just a tiny bit. You might need a little bit of water too. Okay, let's rinse her down. Put it in the sun so we can see it. Okay.
I still can't get those. I need longer bristles to get in that groove.
Well, that's what this one's for. You got a couple of stubborn spots there, so we'll go like this and push hard. What do you think? It worked.
I did it. It came clean.
So let's continue and do these ones, and we'll be very careful and do the sills. All right, everything's dried in the sun. We like the results so much that we did my AT4 mats as well. I'll put the carpet inserts back in, but look at that. Okay, let's throw them in the vehicle. Well, good news, my friends. Those cheap Amazon drill brushes seem to do the trick. The one thing that is a prerequisite is you need to have some dirt, some stains, and wife muscle. So we got kind of carried away. We did the Escalade, now we're doing the M4 and we're doing the AT4. So when you start one project, it often leads into many others. Well, the good news is these things work. I'll leave a link in the video description below if you want to check out a set. Might not be the same brand, I'm up in Canada, but I'll try and find the same ones that I have. I've got the white soft bristle and you can see there are a number to choose from. So if you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. We'll talk to you next time.